Yeah, you arrested Digong, but you are just starting the war. You have just started the war. And nandun na, can you control what he will say when he's in the court? And the whole world will be listening? Di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo, Joey? Last year pa. Nandun na siya sa ICC. Duterte will have the global microphone. Di ba dito sa Pilipinas, hindi niyo siya kino-cover. Pag
Now will be fully covered and are going to be covered by real journalists.
And it will be all over the world. At alam ni Digong na this is a historical moment. At yung mga ganitong bagay, pinaghahandaan to. Kaya kita mo si Digong, di ba, walang emosyon? Alam niya. Digong knows. Alam niya ang gagawin niya. Kaya wag na kayong, kawawa naman si Duterte. Wala na doon. Wala na tayo doon. Nandito na tayo sa phase ng at which stage of history we are in.